achievement is we are trying out this RC monster truck to put it to the test to see if we can succeed the challenges. So first one is we're gonna see how fast it is. Okay. One, two, three, four. It took 3 seconds just to reach here. This is my hanging ball. That's how long it took. So this is pretty fast. Now we're gonna move on to the next challenge. Guys, we have someone in the we have a little toy inside the monster truck, and we're gonna see if since it's very fast, we're gonna it's gonna reach here in 4 seconds or something. So we're gonna see if it's gonna fall down. All right, then let's go. Okay, here we go. Ooh, and then whenever it bumps, then it will fall down forward or something. Like you see, it's not gonna fall down. But when it goes backwards, and like if it bumps into, for an example, this monster truck, it's safe to say that it's pretty good because you see this toy which is laying on the ground, which was inside there. It actually, when you go forward and you bump into something, then it's gonna come up. But if you're going backwards or if you're going straight forward or something, then it's fine. So yeah, it's fine. Now we're gonna test it out to see how smooth it turns out. Like how smooth does it turn. Okay, now we're gonna test it out to see how well how smooth and how well it turns. Okay, now we're gonna see how well it turns. All right. Okay. Okay. Wait. Let's go. Ooh, it turns pretty well. See? So that's the end of the video of this monster truck. It is actually very good, alright? And I'll see you in the next video. Bye!